Welcome to the Tech Mechanic. Building real-world AI applications is hard. Moving past simple API calls to production-ready systems requires a complete shift in architecture. We have already laid a massive foundation on this channel. We've covered critical enterprise strategies in our Solutions Architect Masterclass and Azure Cloud Architect Masterclass. While we have a few highly anticipated core architecture topics coming your way soon, it's time to expand our toolkit into the future of engineering. That is exactly why we are launching a brand new, comprehensive series, AI Architecture and RAG Systems from Scratch. We are going deep. You will learn how to design scalable vector databases, optimize chunking strategies, implement advanced retrieval techniques, and build a robust retrieval-augmented generation system from the ground up. No shortcuts, no black boxes, just pure architectural engineering. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You will not want to miss the first episode, dropping very soon.